Well, amid the nationwide outrage over spate of horrific crimes against women, Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered a stern message, vowing to ensure that offenders won't go unpunished.
साथियों, माताओं, बहनों, बेटियों का सामर्थ्य बढ़ाने के साथ साथ उनकी सुरक्षा भी देश की प्राथमिकता है। आज देश का कोई भी राज्य हो, अपनी बहनों बेटियों की पीड़ा को, उनके गुस्से को मैं समझ रहा हूं। मैं एक बार फिर देश के हर राजनीतिक दल से कहूंगा, हर राज्य सरकार से कहूंगा कि महिलाओं के खिलाफ अपराध अक्षम्य पाप है। दोषी कोई भी हो, वो बचना ही चाहिए। उसको किसी भी रूप में मदद करने वाले बचने नहीं चाहिए।
Right, and Prime Minister Modi, while addressing an event targeted at women beneficiaries in Maharashtra, said that crime against women is an unpardonable sin and all state government across the country must ensure that the guilty are not spared. Prime Minister also called upon all government agencies to ensure that not only the accused, but everyone who helps such people, be it in hospitals, schools, or even in police systems, must also be held accountable. And I'm being joined by my colleague Abhishek. Abhishek, a message that's coming at a time when there's uproar across the country. How is this being looked at, though?
See, definitely a message loud and clear by the Prime Minister, who was in the state of Maharashtra in Jalgaon, where he had come to promote an event for Lakpati Didi scheme, a promotion of that scheme. But at the same time, he also gave a stern warning to all the state governments and every administration possible that no crime against women will be tolerated and no one will be spared, including the one who committed the crime as well as those who were involved in the crime. And he also requested all the political parties that, they should not politicize this. It's a serious issue and this will not be tolerated. Imagine after Arjikar College incident in Kolkata, then we had minors sexual abuse, Badlapur incident, we have seen the public outrage on the street. Definitely action has been taken, the accused have been arrested, and also we can see now action being taken against the school management, and also different process is being followed, SIT is in place. So definitely Prime Minister giving loud and a clear message that no crime against women will be tolerated in the country henceforth, and he also gave a stern warning to all state governments that no one should be spared, how much ever powerful or whether he is involved, everyone should be taken to task. Back to you.
Abhishek, thank you very much for joining us with those details. And